Supplies for the IV. They've got a tegaderm. I want to go ahead and remove the backing and have that ready. I have some gauze and either an alcohol prep pad or whichever antiseptic that is. I'm going to prepare our, so I like longer ones split, and I'm going to have them ready right there. And then at least one more. So, and then you're going to have your IV catheter open for you. And we're going to take our saline and we're going to get the bubble out. Be careful. So I have to pop that bubble. This one's a hard one. So, and sometimes you have the INT, the extension that you're going to attach to here, but we're doing a one bag. So we're going to connect the line directly to the catheter. And this is a 92-inch primary line. And so we are just going to break off that. And we're going to pull this part down to the middle and clamp it off. And now we're going to spike the bag. So I'm going to take that off, spike the bag. Okay, now I'm going to hold this part up and I'm going to open until it starts to come through the end, but sometimes you have to loosen the cap. So you might have this, you might do this over a trash can. Grab that little trash can over there. I'm going to open it up so that you can get all the bubbles out. So it's going slow because I didn't remove this cap. So now it'll go faster. Okay, now it's primed. Okay. So my line is primed and I'm going to put that open tip somewhere clean, like in there. And I'm going to take my tourniquet out. Okay, so often I don't even have gloves on for this part here because you can't feel as well. And in labor, our ideal location is in here. But you're dehydrated, which is why we're doing it. So we're going to just see. So in order to do the tourniquet, I always stretch before so that I don't pinch when I cross over, and then my finger brings it under and leaves it right there. And if you want to pump your fist, and hold it tight, and I'm looking for this vein here, and sometimes you can rub and get it to come up a little bit. Some people even do a little bit of tapping, and it usually runs right along here. So I feel by bouncing, because on the vein, you're going to bounce more than you are going to press. You feel this little bounciness here. Okay, so I'm going to have my student come feel. You feel that? Mm-hmm. You feel it's more bouncy right there?
Well, there's a bone. And there's the bounce.
Yeah, so we're going to clean it with either alcohol prep. This might have some chlorhexidine. And you apply a little bit of like pressure. It kind of helps raise it up a little bit. You can clean your finger again if you've touched stuff so that you can. Okay, so now our student, you can go ahead and come in, Robin. And you're going to take the catheter. So this is one of the it's a basic catheter where you have to actually advance. You want to know how you advance it. So this one you advance by pressing it forward. Mm-hmm. Okay. And so once we get it in, we're going to have to push it forward.
Yeah.
And then this one you kind of.
So last time I was told I did not insert it far enough because I was scared to insert it too far.
Yeah. So you go in and straight.
Okay.
So in, straight, forward. So, and you want to hold it. You see how I have it held on top? So these two fingers on top.
Okay.
And then this is my advancing one. And then I can easily use my wrist to do that.
So like this?
Yes, and it's you want to be able to do this. So it's a wrist action.
So we're going in and then up.
Yes.
Correct.
And I like to hold the hand, use my hand like this.
Okay.
To stretch. And then I usually will grab that vein and stabilize it and pull it so that it doesn't roll.
Yeah.
Because a rolling vein, so hold,
stretch, kind of find it.
and then you're to go over.
Is it better to go further up or closer to the...
How are you doing? Deep breaths?
All right, I'm all right.
All right.
Is it better to go closer to her elbow or a little further up or just wherever
this is your
feel
ideal. Sometimes there's a valve, but so hold on. So got her hand stretched like that, and hold it.
Okay. I'm feeling it there.
Feeling it. Okay, let go. Don't stretch it. Ready? This is where gloves make it
Harder.
Right there. Yeah.
Right there. Okay.
If you need to use a pen sometimes.
Okay. So we're going to go in.
Yeah.
I'm feeling it there. Is that right?
Right there.
Okay.
Okay, so now we're going to be looking for a flashback. So you're going to need to go a little deeper because you didn't hit it.
See, that was the thing I didn't.
Okay, stop. Oh, you're going to go. You're still in skin, so we're going to pull. We're going to try to get a little deeper. So you're going to take it and correct your hold. And you're going to have to go down into a vein. Okay, and you're looking to see if any blood flashback. You don't have any. So you can try to go that way.
No.
And then hold on, keep your connection to this.
Okay.
Pull back a little bit, and then try this way. And make sure your angle is going down.
No, not seeing it.
Okay, so let me take over.
Sure.
You're doing good. So sometimes the veins totally retreat on you. I can feel it back here.
Yeah.
I'm going to. Doing good. I don't know if I can get it from. Okay. Okay, I think It might be a little bit too, I think it's retreated there. So I'm going to take this one out. I'm going to release the tourniquet by pulling one.
Someday when you
Here's
can
the
eat
gauze.
again, we'll buy you dinner.
Okay. Alright. So. Relax. Okay, so we'll try it again. We usually don't go right back on that same spot. And sometimes up here is even better. Since we're just doing one bag, you're not going to be flailing your arms around like you would like if you were in labor. And so we'll go, do you know which one of these?
Mm-hmm.
This one's better. Let's see if you can get that one piece off there. So we're going to go ahead. And usually you just know anatomically, you know it's here in the middle. So we're going to redo the tourniquet, stretch, over, cross, under. Go ahead and rub a little bit here to get this one to come up. Squeeze your fist a little bit. Pull it up. Okay. This one's not very obvious either. You want to feel? I'm going to take my glove off and try to feel.
Man, it's so much harder with the glove.
Yeah. So, okay, just straighten your. So I can feel this one here, but it's more superficial, and the deep one always runs in here, which you sometimes you just go for, but
They're probably able to get something out of that one.
out of this one here,
Or like around this area, that's normally where they get it. I'm also
blood
not
draw, yeah.
skilled to tell you where.
Yeah, I'm not liking that one. Let's go to this one here. What you get, the veins you like for IVs are a little bit different than the ones for drawing blood. So pump, 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 pump. Surrender. Okay. And hold. Okay. I feel like I don't feel it there. Let's feel this one better, but it rolls. I mean, I might be able to get that one. These might pop out better if you're hydrated well. So this one is, so I'm going to move this one down. I'm going to go for this one here. Okay. Can you open that for me? I'm going to go ahead and put the syringe right there so it's available. Okay.
Wrestling with the trash.
So I'm going to localize I'm going to pick my vein again. And find my tweeze it up. You pull the lid off. Okay. 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 Okay, so I got a flashback. I went flat, and now I'm going to go in a little bit more.
Mm-hmm.
And then I'm going to try to advance the catheter. Let me see if I can go in. I'm feeling a little bit of resistance. Let me see. So I'm going to take that off. So my catheter is in, and now I'm going to pull. Now these ones you have to secure.
Mm-hmm.
And then, whoop. I should have used the safety on that one, and then I'm going to flush a little bit. So somehow, let's see, I think this one goes over like that. Yeah. Okay. So I'm in. I'm going to take the, whoops, I already used my gauze. I'm going to take this. I'm going to dry it off before I do any taping. You can use alcohol swabs or gauze. You just want to make sure it's dry. Okay. So, Robin, do you want to grab the bag and the line?
Yeah.
So if you have a second person, you have your assistant.
Come on out of there. Oh, we got stuck.
Tegaderm. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and tape it down. So I like to put my first one underneath. That's like the classic, and then cross over to stabilize it there. And some people, if you have a okay. Now the other thing to prevent bleeding would have been to block off the vein. Woo, almost fell. And lift the arm up. Does that hurt? Okay. Or block up the vein. So,
Can you take that?
yeah. Okay. Now go ahead and open your tubing and let's just make sure it flows. Turn up. You got your hand upside down. There you go.
Just wants to twist that way.
So we are dripping. We're in.
There we go.
Okay. In the hospital, when they wear these for a couple of days, we have a extension. We get it all cleaned up. But we are going to just throw this tegaderm over this whole thing because we're just doing a bag. So we don't need to label it since it's not staying. Okay. How do you feel?
Okay.
Then, is it cold? So this is LR, so we can run that rate perfectly fine. It's in, and we'll hang it up and let this go in.
I'm going to hang it over there.